Easy English for Beginners, Study 10 for August, a windy day. I love green, but my dog hates it. But has big ears. When he goes outside, the wind blows his ears straight up. My sister and I think birds look funny, and we laugh and laugh. My dad said, dogs' ears are very special. They can hear things that we can't. The wind can hurt their ears. My dad says, that's why you should never blow in the dog's ears. It's not funny to the dog. Poor pug, his big ears scared the wind. If you want to shine tomorrow, you have to sparkle today. 10 minutes a day goes a long way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.